Hey guys, what's up? It's Giuseppe. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'm Giuseppe Builds. Now, what we're going to be doing today, which is super fun, is using Upfluence. Um, I found some interesting findings with Upfluence. I was chatting with some friends who do Amazon selling, and there's some overlap in terms of what we can do to optimize for SEO using a tool called Upfluence. I'm not sure exactly how much Upfluence is. This isn't a paid promotion, but I can tell you that 98% of you are not subscribed. So please subscribe, hit the like button, and you can hang out with me and build brands and businesses and optimize and make some money. And I'd be happy to do that with you. Anyways, what we're doing quickly, is I'm just going to open this up. I'm going to show you what I've been doing. I'm going to show you what cold emails I've been sending and um, how many replies I've been getting, which is like a little ridiculous. I've been doing really well. I think it's like 1 or 0.5% on cold email, and it's been the leads we're getting are pretty awesome. So let's get into it, and give you a rundown on what we're doing. I'll show you what we're doing. We'll dig into it a little bit. Ask some, if you have questions or if you want anything answered, put it in the comments below. I will do it. And without further ado, let's get into it. Now, this is what it looks like. Okay, this is the inbox, and as you can see here, I've sent 1900, 299 failed, and of the 1900, 134 have replied. So if we go 1981 by 134, oh, other way, whoops, 134 by 1981, we are looking at a 6% reply rate, which is pretty awesome. Now, I'll give you a little rundown. I'll show you what these look like in a literal sense. I'll make this a little larger too. So, first email is Edward. I came across your page. Really like what you're doing. I have this cool product that I think you would love. If you like it, there's a great chance to make some money. It's piques curiosity, to the point, pretty chill. Like it does it. Reply to email, good day, like a little back and forth. Now, what I've been doing for these back and forths is I've had one sort of advertising cold email thing, and I've just been collecting everything in this chat. That way I can always go back to it. I could also do this in a terminal with Claude Code, but I think most people don't have Claude Code. So you can do this with ChatGPT just the same. It's just a conversation. Now, as you can see here, it's, hey, good day, Ryan. I forwarded additional details as mentioned previously if this opportunity aligns with our priorities. So I'm just going to say, hey, thank you so much. Back to me. Looking forward to chatting when we can. Send that. Now, what I am also doing is I'm just trying to save this. So this is the initial email that I've been sending out. So I'm just gonna put this in my notes. Oh, and I have it in my notes. Great. So I'll give me some ideas for targeting new people in this Upfluence campaign. So we're gonna go back here. We're gonna go to search, find creators, because this is, this is the fun stuff, baby. This is what you're getting paid for. This is, influencer management, outreach. It's kind of cold sales. It's not work people like to do, but it is work that um, is appreciated. So I'm also going to go Canada just because we're just doing North America. I know some of you guys are in the Netherlands and some of you guys are also in India. So it's really easy to just kind of filter this out. I like chiropractors. Peptides. The peptides comes out. Peptides are kind of trending right now. Oh, okay. And you see here, it kind of tells you how many followers they have, 9K, and like we don't need some crazy number of followers to just get seen and to get in front. Holy Jesus, this guy's cooking, dog. Yeah. Oh my God. Okay, so yeah, celebrity trainer, like awesome. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to do let's add a couple other ones in here. We'll go red light therapy. We're gonna make a new list. I'm gonna call it biohacking. Create list. It got rid of my filters. That's fine. We're gonna go back here. Find creators. Country. USA. Canada. We ship to either just fine. It's interesting that this just like comes up naturally. Like this person is just like getting like almost promoted. Like I don't. This is the best person. Why? Oh, that's why. Look at this engagement. So it is kind of like naturally kind of just like throwing up people that it thinks would be cool for you. That's kind of interesting. I mean, I'm not like against it. Okay, let's see. So let's do this again. Let's go. We're gonna do biohacking. So we're gonna do red light therapy. We'll do cold plunge. We'll do is it Wim Hof. We'll do NAD plus. I don't know what that means, but let's check it out. What is NAD plus? NAD plus. Nicotine adenine. Oh wow. Hydrogen carrier. Oh, that's right up our alley. This is awesome. Okay, so now we have a bunch of people here. They have varying amounts of followers. This is too small. Yeah, there is some too small here, but I like her. Cold plunge. I don't mind that. A little small, but it's okay. Too small. Too small. Too small. Too small. So there's another feature in here where you can actually filter by platforms. You can say followers. You go followers to, oh, and it even gives you a thing. I mean, I'm down for the micros. I'm not judgmental guy, you know? Any size is a good size. We'll just go micros. And yeah, we'll add him. Let's see what else. Maybe there's too much in here. I'll also do peptides. Faith. Faith is a big thing. We'll do chiropractor too. Cool. So it just looks for keywords wherever. And there's a lot of stuff here. These are kind of cool. These are all mid-range guys. 12, 17K. Acupuncture. Yeah, acupuncture is cool. Acupuncture. And now we're just going to do this bulk add to list. Like this. Great. Check back in a few minutes. It's going to do the work. And then we're just going to go out and we're going to send a bunch of emails and just make it happen. Is there anything else in here? Inflammation. What if I type in inflammation? This is the only guy. Ah, whatever. You win, buddy. Now, I'm just gonna let's just go only red light therapy and see if we just get a lot more people. I don't know if I like these smaller guys, but I think this is pretty. Oh yeah, this is all actually these are cool. Yeah, so it's a lot of this is just like rolling through. I do like the mental health side. Holy jeez. Okay. So we're gonna go into the list. We're gonna go into selected. We have 1013. No. And now we're just gonna go into this list. We have the list here. This is a fair number. Art of relate. I don't. Not really us. Go back to this. I just want to make sure we have a bunch of people, and then we're just gonna like mass, fire them out. Oh, we aren't smart results. What are just all results? Red light therapy, mental health. Let's go. Naturopath, MD. Cool. Bulk add to list. Done. So now that we have this should jump up to about 2013. And then we're going to start sending out some emails. And this is how you do your cold outreach, baby. Now, the reason that I wanted to come back to about this cold outreach and why it's so valuable is there's a couple of reasons. Now, when you're doing this cold outreach, what's going to happen is these people in your, handle, you're going to have your website or your business name, and they are going to go onto Google and they're going to search for your business. And Google is now going to see that you are going to start getting more traffic to your business directly through their searches. And some of those might even make a purchase. But what it's going to do is that knockoff effect is that signal that's sent to Google is telling Google that you are popular, that people are interested in your website specifically because they're searching for you. And then you can start to win additional searches on top of that because you're getting these positive signals from other locations. Now, that's one thing about cold email that people don't really know, but it's something that Amazon sellers are well aware of. Um, some like, white hat / gray hat SEO, very well aware of. And this is something that you can start taking advantage of. And you don't need a PhD in black hat SEO to like figure this out. But now that I've seen it, it makes a lot more sense. So this is actually something that I'm going to be doing a lot more of. And I think that you should too, if it comes to your business. If you want help with this stuff, reach out. If you want instructions on it, watch this video. And anyways, I think this should be pretty good to go. And let's get some emails off. There you go, 2013, selected. We are going to go into here, selected, and we're going to go to mail, and we're going to go contact selected influencers. Boom, boom, boom. We are going to use, yes, the Upfluence email. And now I have this stuff saved, and if you drop a comment, I will add the prompt for you to write this too. But anyways, I'm just going to go back and make sure that I got this right in terms of unnamed mailing. That's not what I wanted to happen. Has this all been unnamed mailing? Where is the... Huh. Yeah, okay. Well, whatever it is, what it is. Um, Subject. Okay, so the subject is my first name there. So that's going to be good to know. That's what we're going to do. Now, what this is this is, I don't know the name for it exactly, but it looks for the first name. And if the first name's not there, it puts there. So hi there, which is great. That does a lot of heavy lifting for us. So it shows the email that we've sent off, the email provider that we're not sending the same email every day or to every person. So we look less spammy, which is super important. And it'll increase our send rate and success rate, which is what we are into. And that's it. And we're just going to go, we're going to copy this one more time just to make sure we have it. We're going to send emails. Boom. These are sent. Now we're going to go over here. And let's go to this campaign. Let's go to these people. And we are going to click email. And we're going to email these people too. And it's just like this because each of these is going to be unique just because it has their first name. Hey there. And I think that's pretty much it. Like, that's it. Anyways, kind of short and sweet. I wanted to show you what's going on. And, when you have a look at this, yeah, 30 influencers. I want more than 30 influencers. Anyways, if you watched to the end, thank you so much for your time. Thank you for joining me today on Giuseppe Builds. If you are out there and you are making some money, I hope you're making a lot of it because you deserve it. And hit the like button. Please subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.